I am greeting you, enjoyers of a proper gasoline smell. It's that time of the month again. So I got my chips, I got my Coke, and I'm gonna get this rolling. Now that really is a tiny junction, isn't it? Really hard to miss, especially with such a huge truck he's driving. Say, have you ever been assaulted by a pallet jack? Oh, this guy was out for blood. Did you see the fury in his eyes? Well, if you're trying to transport a pallet jack in such a professional fashion, it needs to go off the rails. You are one fine gentleman, sir. Yeah, some cyclists don't seem to be very attached to life. I am sometimes seeing such specimen too. But way more often, it's the car drivers doing weird things. The car in front of us got a cyclist in front of him, and he needs to pass it, even though he wants to leave the road literally the next second. The magnificence is unfathomable. Hello there! This guy is a dick. As he was leaving his lane, he was already flashing at us, supposedly saying, "Watch out, I'm using your lane here." But no matter if your lane or their lane, you better stay in either of them. Oh yeah, you need to know what you're doing on a bike, especially if you're of the sporty kind. Well, this dude could have been driving properly if those two big red things wouldn't have blocked his view alright. The hell are they doing there? Here we've got the bane of urban life. Guy with an electric scooter in oncoming traffic. He certainly doesn't care. And many other riders of such scooters don't care as well, which is why cities are starting to ban those things now. They are prohibited in Paris already, and I guess other cities will follow suit. Oh, buddy, you have been looking for the absolute best spot for turning around, I see. You don't like it simple, do you? However, you shouldn't totally neglect your tires. They have feelings too. This guy to the right got a mission. That mission is speed. Anything that could potentially slow him down needs to be prevented, which includes that bike lane over there. It also means that he uses creative measures to bypass lights and pedestrians, or just straight out ignore them. Well, we all agree that red lights do kill your speed, don't we? A broken down car in the middle of the road. What's the deal with this poor guy? Our man stops for assisting, and now what's the issue? It's an electric car and the battery is dead. Not only dead, but literally seconds before reaching a charging spot. This guy must have been doing something bad for having such karma. Some people might say that's typical for electric pieces of junk. There are rumors that when you run your gas tank empty, normal cars might also refuse to keep going. So better get to the gas station quick. We've got one right here. Ah, you still got plenty of gas to waste. Somebody likes to live dangerously. Which also counts for this guy in the way smaller vehicle. In a big brain move, he wants to bypass the red light, while not knowing that it doesn't make a difference. Such a maneuver counts like any other red light violation. Possibly even worse by moving along the intersection in a chaotic manner. Yo, Granny, take your time. You could have taken the light and make it a lot safer for yourself, but hey, it's your funeral.
Alter.
Yeah, messing around right at the road, losing balance, and barely missing a very pointless death. Solid line, corners, and a hilltop. The overtaken driver got the appropriate reaction for this. But you know how it is. Like so many people don't take their brain into the car with them. Makes total sense to risk your life for saving a couple seconds on your journey. We get a green light, and this pedestrian certainly did not have one. And this cyclist... I don't know. What did I just say about taking your brain into the car? Can't be the case here, blindly driving in the middle of a very narrow road. A cyclist on the road! Nah, doesn't matter to car drivers, because cyclists are not actual people. You can't ignore them. Safety is not required. Why does such a person have a driving license? There is some car over there, entering the freeway over the acceleration lane. Got a truck in front and to the left. Keep him in sight. And now the car driver moved into the lane of the truck driver with literally no distance and was almost pushed off the freeway. Too stupid for having a driving license. There, I said it. This guy didn't check the bike lane, which is already dumb enough. But as he reverses, he only looks left and never checked if not some other car appeared behind him. People are so easy to distract. Because of one thing, they neglect everything else and then they're all surprised when hitting somebody.
Was macht der Radfahrer da?
He wants to get onto the bike lane. Too bad he does it in this chaotic manner. But hey, that's not the worst this guy is coming up with. And I am wondering how long this guy will stay alive. He certainly forgot his brain home. You need to understand that the Swiss people are usually a little slower.
Hey!
See, this BMW knows the deal. Cyclists are no actual people.
Alter, mach die Augen auf, Junge!
Well, it's a teenager. It's to be expected that they do stupid stuff. But it's not exclusive to them.
Ja, steht da ein bisschen sehr im Weg. Ich weiß nicht, wie man so sein kann. Pass ich nicht durch.
Can you believe the ignorance of this person to park their car in such a way here? It's a minute later now. Our passenger went for searching for the driver.
Ja, was soll das?
Ja, ich komm gleich.
Ja, was, ich komm gleich. Ich will jetzt weg. Wirklich, wie kann man denn nur so sein? Wirklich. Ich. Oh, hier ist kein Parkplatz, also stelle ich mich mitten in den Weg.
Normal people intending to drive along here are one thing, but she's pointing out something else.
Was wäre jetzt, wenn ein RTW hier rein müsste? Oder die Feuerwehr?
Ja. Würde nicht durchpassen. Ich passe ja da auch nicht dran vorbei. Wie soll ich da dran vorbeipassen? Wie kommt man auf die dämliche Idee? Hier wohnen ja auch Leute, ne?
Ja.
This whole ordeal is taking so long that even the weather is changing on us. What annoys the living hell out of me is that this bitch is not sorry for all the trouble she's causing, but she's like, relax, just give me 2 more minutes because apparently I am the most important person here. The other direction got green. I would like to go too, but I'm not sure, should I? Yeah, whatever, I gotta be places. Bye, buddy. Make sure to go head first when smashing into the tree, because they can't transplant brains. Everything else should remain usable for others. And, anything else? Oh, nope. We're all of clips. This is the end of KO number 119. I hope you like this stuff, and, well, see you again for next episode. Gotta make myself a sandwich now. Now, where the hell is that goddamn toaster?